That's what happens when you buy car parts, dude.
Different stuff. It's like getting the Lego.
Pretty much.
And a purple paper?
Yeah. So this, definitely gonna install it on the hatch soon, considering my wife wanted this to adjust the gas pedal, so be a lot easier to drive. And I think it's like a must-have on our 10th gens too. So this is the rear aero flap you guys have been telling me to get from, I want to say Caruse or Caruse design. I really hope I'm not saying it wrong, but Caruse design already comes pre-packaged really well. So, le pegaste.
Sorry, Papa.
Are you okay?
Sorry, Papa.
Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up and he's really scared of it now. We're gonna go ahead and open all this up. You know what's funny? People are telling me, oh, your gas is gonna go down. Your gas mileage is gonna go down because of this. Probably, and it's the best time to have my gas mileage go down. The install, guys, is that I am gonna need to take off these wing stabilizers and put them back on afterwards because they are not gonna fit with it on. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these off in the meantime and put new tape on it afterwards. So if you do have wing stabilizers, all I did was cut off a little bit of the tape, like so. So I have to just peel it back off and put it back on afterwards. The material and the finish, tilt it up. Gotham, it's not yours. This looks really nice. All right, let me see the tape part. So basically, guys, what you want to do is, on their instructions, it says peel a little bit off, but not entirely, so that when you put it on, you'll be able to peel the rest of it off easily and just clean the surface of your car. That's it. So we're gonna go ahead and take this to the car right now. Guys, you know what I was telling my wife right now? Like, look how much this moves without the wing stabilizers. Moves so easily. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and put this on. Look, it even tells you, like, legit, like, Caruse design has all the stuff, all their information and stuff right over there. So that's pretty cool. That's how you know it's a legit, not a knockoff.
So it just goes over it?
That's it, yeah. But I have to center it. That's it. So all you really have to do is line this up right here. And line this up right here. And that's it. So if they look even to you, I'm gonna take the red tape off. Yeah, I know, your hair's always on it. All right, now we're gonna get the wing stabilizers on. What I ended up doing was I cut this piece in 2 pieces. That way when you put it on, it actually latches and sticks. So that's how it is right here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the other one. And that is it. Check it out. We're gonna go ahead and take some pictures later so you guys can get better views of it. But from afar, this looks so sick. Okay, so the next day, been driving around with it for a bit. It's all fine, but check it out. You can't really see anything from the rear of the car. Like, it's good for looks, but when it comes to actual, like, driving, blocks out about a good 40% of your rear windshield. I can get used to it. I already did. I adapted pretty quick, but for others, if you have the coupe and you're thinking about getting it, it's not bad. It's really good. Like, I think it looks amazing, but you are gonna lose your rear visibility. So totally up to you. Again, that's what you see right there. The nice thing about it is that yesterday when I was driving at night, I realized I'm not getting blinded by headlights anymore, especially from trucks and whatnot. You know, even though my windows are tinted, which doesn't help at all with the visibility also. But you know what I mean? Like, overall, I do think it was a good add-on to the car, especially for looks. In the meantime, I'm going to be adding a Cuties pedal adjustment to my girl's car since she wants to do that. So, and that's an easy install. I'm trying to get her to install her own pedal adjustment. Okay, so there should be a sensor in there that connects, like, wires from the top of the gas pedal to the back of the gas pedal.
Do I have to undo those too?
You just need to take off the sensor before you take off the pedal so it's not hanging like that. Here, let me do it. And then you can plug it in after. Okay, so you saw the sensor that I disconnected?
Oh yeah.
Okay, it's already disconnected. Now take off the last bolt. Do you see how it goes? Now you need to put that back on there. You're gonna want to put the bolts on there. Here, I'll take this. You good? How does it feel already?
I haven't pressed the gas.
Put your foot over the gas.
I like it better.
It's so much better, right? How much better does it feel?
It feels a lot better.
Right?
Yeah. I didn't think it was gonna make that much of a difference.
But it clearly did.
Yes.
So we left it on option B only because it's here, up, and then to the left.
Like, I don't have to do that much work anymore.
But like, is it a good distance from the brake?
Yeah.
Cool.
You can do your, what's it called? Heel toe.
Yeah, in a CVT, of course. That's what you really need to do on this. The fact that you know what that is impresses me. So, yeah. So, worth it?
Yes.
Even though you didn't pay for it?
Yes.
Okay.
Better that I didn't pay for it.
Anyways, guys, that is going to be it for the video. This one was a little bit all over the place, but the new Aero flap looks amazing. I love how it looks. I am going to be taking better pictures with it. That way you guys can see it on my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram if you guys want to check those out. And then the Acuity, dude, you just can't go wrong with any Acuity parts. My wife does like the car now a lot more, only because of that easy thing that we did. Before, she was saying that the gas pedal was just too far away from the brake pedal. Like, speaking like far away, not, I guess it was pushed in more, I guess what I should say. Anyways, next they're going to be looking into is Ktuner for her, because she does want to give it a little bit more oomph. And I'm going to be doing Honda hack on her car. I'm going to be doing a good review on the updated CMC and the Type R retrofit clutch that I have on my car. And I'm actually going to be doing a TSP tune. That way I can check it out and see the huge differences between Phereable and TSP. So keep an eye out on that, and I'll see you guys in another video. You guys have a good day. Peace.